And we're live. Don't put that in the video, please.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Wendy. I'm a part-time reseller. I work full-time at the post office, and this is Hungry. This is my daughter Athena. She is 16 and she loves to do these videos with me because she likes to just cut open the boxes. Without further ado, we do have a mystery box. This one is one I've never done yet. It is DIY tees. It is from Thredup. DIY tees. I forget how much I paid. We'll open it and we will let you know how much once I see the invoice.
I don't know, it doesn't matter. We already paid for it.
Yeah, we already paid for it. It's been several weeks. It's been sitting here. It's been sitting here for several weeks.
I'll tell y'all. $28.
$28. 25 tees maybe. Open it up.
There's a bad for the paper.
Okay. CrossFit Athletics. It's just a little long sleeve tee. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's stretchy. It's by the brand Canvas.
The Detroit News, the first good news of the day.
The Detroit News, the first good news of the day. And it is from M&O Gold. Size small. Feels new. Okay. Oh, look at the kitty cats. Look at the kitty cats.
Oh,
They're so cute. It is Fifth Sun, size medium. Cute.
Polaroid shirt. Okay.
Okay, girl, I like that. That's cute.
Yeah, me too. It'll fit me.
It is. Just got a little strings. You can clip that. It's fun. What size is it?
Medium, so it'll be like.
It's cute.
Yeah.
And then this is a hot sauce sriracha t-shirt. That's really cute.
My boyfriend has that same shirt.
Gildan does he?
Yeah.
That's cute. It feels new.
Oh, it's got a little
So that would fit you like a
It's got
baby.
a little Pokemon on it.
This would fit you. You guys should do like a video, you guys should do like a photo shoot with them on.
No, his is just regular. Mine's got the Pokemon on it.
Oh yeah? It says Professor Oak Foods Inc. Pallettown, Western Kanto. I don't know what that means, but okay. Your turn. I did that one.
Oh, you did?
Little embroidered, soft and sexy tee. There's some spots on it. This is a DIY. This is a DIY box. There's going to be some flaws. I got a Nike Phillies raglan tee. Pretty cute. It's got the bell. It needs to be washed, and it's got oh no, that's not a snag. It's just a little feather on there. That's super cute.
Random feather.
A random feather.
Forever 21.
It's cute little crop tee.
Yeah.
Something that she would have probably wore her 9th grade year.
Yeah.
That's something I probably actually bought her before.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, it's Smokey the Bear! Only you can prevent forest fires.
Oh, cute.
That is really
I
cute.
like the color.
And it is an extra large. Hey, this would be good like streetwear. So if you don't want it, I'll sell it. But
I call it the other one in the Lobster Shack.
McLoon's Lobster Shack. This is just a Gildan. No, it's Port and Company. This is McLoon's Spruce Head Island, Maine. Okay.
Any Maine people out there?
What does that say?
Social Boston Sports.
It's a softball t-shirt. It says, I'm a pretty big deal in the co-ed recreational softball circuit. Dude has an ass. He has an inhaler.
Aw, that's me.
And me. What is that?
I know, I've been eyeballing.
What is
I
that?
saw the yellow. I was like, okay.
It is a clown tee. What is it?
Bruno Minari.
Hey, this feels really good. We're gonna have to look this one up.
Yeah. I've never seen a shirt that's had like that on the inside, like the different color.
Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Look it up. It feels really high quality. And it's very cute. The spot like that. The spot like that.
I'm finding Bruno Magli.
Look under men's. Are you under women's? Oh, it's a Uniqlo t-shirt. Okay.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, like look up that brand Uniqlo. That right there.
Okay.
And then look up Bruno Minari as your description. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Hold it like this. Go to Uniqlo, and then right here do Bruno Minari. Oops, not. I got it, girl.
No, you don't.
I got it, girl.
It's not how you spell it.
Shut up.
Girl.
I'm not finding it. We have to look this up later. Anyways, that's really, really cute. Too bad she doesn't like yellow.
You know what? I quit. Oh, it's your turn.
Oh, yeah. It's a plain J. Crew mercantile. It's a little tie side. Mercantile. I don't know. Okay, I'll do another one. It is Marvel. Size small, little graphic tee. I think that's a picture of all of them. All of the superheroes. Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Your turn.
Your turn.
J. Crew Studio Team.
Man, you're picking up all the J. Crew stuff.
Sorry, girl.
Girl. This is...
Another one. I call this one.
Okay, whatever.
Oh.
Glidden, sorry. Glidden PT Oyster Farms. It is a really soft t-shirt. It says Cultivator. It's got a little sailboat on there. That's comfortable. It's very soft. What's that? Ooh, I like that. Old Navy Collectibles. It's just a little Old Navy t-shirt, but it looks like really cute. What size is that? Size extra small. Fun. This is, what is it? I Heart P-I-T-T. I Heart Pete. Pitt. Happy 225th birthday. What is Pitt? Pittsburgh. Okay, there we go.
I thought it was obvious. I don't know. Okay, this says Jukebox the Ghost.
Oh, that's cool. What does it say? It says the same thing down the arms.
Nothing on the back.
Is that it's a Gildan t-shirt?
I like this.
I like it. That's really cute. It's
Like a
cute.
little ghost.
It's really cute. I said it's
Little
really
ghosty.
cute. It's cute. This is that is Marvel. What is that? What is that? What is that? I should know this. That is this is the Marvel Punisher. Apparently. Okay, your turn. Ooh. It's a collegiate tee. Harvard.
Ain't got a fit in that.
That's soft. Veritas. This is a size.
You know me.
Ladies extra large. No way that's an extra large.
Yeah.
That's like more like a smaller medium.
Yeah. I mean, whatever they want to say, I guess.
I don't know.
You
This
know me and my college too, so.
TLA. I don't know. I've never seen that label. Never heard of that brand. Just a little soft tee. It's got some holes in it. Maybe we could like intentionally distress it.
That's what I'm thinking.
I don't think it's worth our time. What's that? The Kinks. That's kind of cool. Little intentionally worn raglan tee. What's it back say? The Kinks. State of confusion. I'm so confused. Actually, I don't know if that's intentionally supposed to be that worn. But I think it might.
I don't know.
Be good.
Oh, what's that?
Here, I'll do that one.
No, I think you wanted to do this one.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Studio Energy Zone. Oh, I just totally have my double chin. Studio Energy Zone. Just a little t-shirt. Okay, last one.
Keep calm and hug a panda.
Oh, that's so cute. Very soft too. Yeah, that's probably like my size. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it was 25 t-shirts. DIY t-shirt box for $28 plus shipping.
Not a lot of them I felt like had to be DIY. They were the same.
A couple of them were not, I mean, just a few things were wrong with them. The rest of them was okay.
Yeah.
Right? I don't know. There's a couple in here that she probably want, which would make the whole thing worth the $28. So.
Oh, I'm worth $28.
I don't know about that sometimes. Anyways.
Okay.
This is our mystery box from Thredup. DIY t-shirts. DIY t-shirts. Wait. How do you do D? Hold on.
Just quit. It's okay.
Why?
Alright, cut.
Anyways, if you've done a DIY t-shirt box before, let us know how it was. If you have done a video, let us know. We want to watch it. So maybe yours is better. Anyways, if you like videos like this, mystery boxes, I do hauls sometimes. Be sure and like and subscribe. Like, and subscribe. No? Carry on. She just wants some more boxes. We have more boxes. Anyways.
We'll find out in the next episode.
episode. You'll have a great night. All this fuzz,
Or
dust.
day, or evening, or afternoon, or 3 in the morning.
Season. Have a good season. Right now it's like super snowy outside. Hence why I'm bundled up in this room. My little, it's cute little horse jacket,
Grandma
fuzzy.
has a blanket like that.
Yeah, it's like a blanket jacket. It's one of those blanket jackets. But it's a size medium. It's a little small for me, but it will be for sale inside my Poshmark closet, eBay closet, whatever. I will link those down below. But anyways, yeah, y'all have a great night.